Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, just in previous video as we discussed about category and objectives, there is another feature that is extensions. These extensions and categories are both are similar, means adding extra features to a class. But the difference is that category works on the application level, where extension is works on object class levels. Categories can be accessed through your applications means throughout your applications. Categories can be accessed throughout your applications. You can make object or make the class accessible to your app level, means any classes can be accessed through that what I said, that category. Okay, but the extension extension is nothing but extending your class. Means suppose you are already defined a class, suppose this one my class. Okay, this one is the my class. So I want to extend some features, features of that class. Okay, so in the I can say that basic level, you can add the extension or add the extra features of that class so that you can access that extendable method to your object of that class. One more thing is that extension just found that category level the classes are different. Interface files and implementation files are different. Look at this. Okay, so this one is the implementation part and this one is the interface part. Okay, but for the extension there is only implementation part. There will be only implements one. Look at the imports this class. Okay, or this is not actually extra. You can add some extra classes, add this implementation method. That's it. So you can easily access that method of this class. So this one is and there is no subtypes, just like here in defined this is the category name, this is the class name. But in the methods, in the extension, there is no such things because it works on class level. In the same class you define your extensions. In the same class you will define your extensions. Let me find out some good example. Okay, got it. So suppose, look at this. These are the one is properties. It's not actually defined right now, not yet. I'm just for example I'm giving that. So this one is the properties. Okay, you are creating object of that person, that name as captain. Okay, and this one is the init with captain. So in the extension, what we will do, just as a simple implementation methods. There is nothing special about this one. That's it. So it's a extension. Super init self, this will work because of the extension. You are what I said that so you are initializing the super class, then you are creating the object of that class. So this piece of code will work as an extension of the base class or the class which you are already defined. In this class, my base class is this one, demo class. So for demo class, this will work as an extension. Same you can access through class object. You can access this method through your class object. Okay, so extension works on class levels, not on the application level, whereas the categories works on the application level. Okay, yeah, let me okay, let me create a extension class so that you can understand what we are talking about. So I have selected file type extension or demo class. Okay, okay, so this one is the extension class. Look at this for extension this is compulsory. Okay, in the main class, look at this, you are extending the ns object to the demo class. Okay, you are inheriting some properties from ns object, but in the extension you are extending this class. Okay, in the interface, one more thing, the implementation part, this one is the interface part. Okay, whatever I declared here, I have to implement in the implementation part. Okay, so this one is the you can say that individual file, but if you want to declare here, okay, then you have to add, suppose this one. Okay, I'll take this one to under this one. Okay, so what will happen? So this one is the main class, your base class, and this one is the extension of this class. So you can get the clear picture. Now whatever we are declaring here, you have to implement in the base class. Here you are implementing that. So now you can get the clear picture. So your base class is this one, because your base class is inheriting from any subject or view control or whatever your inherited class, or whatever from whichever class you are inherited, that is different. But in the extension class, you have to name the extension of that class same as your base class with double bracket. This one means this one is you are extending the base class, and properties you are defining. Obviously you are defining properties in your interface, or defining methods in your interface. You have to implement in the base class, in the base class. Then whatever methods you are defining here, it will be accessible through the base class object. So this is how extension works. Okay, now you can, I think now is you have the clear picture of how extension works. This is the base. From this one to this one is my base class. Okay, and this person is my extension class, but the implementation class is same. Interface may be different, but the implementation class is same. And how to use that extension, same. You can create the object of this class, then access the extensions. Okay, so that is the one thing I think want to share. So base extension works in the class level, whereas the categories works in the application levels. In categories, whatever your properties, data types, methods, whether you are defining class method or instance method, that all are accessible to your application levels, because that method is that category is accessible to your application level, and per extension you have to make the object of that particular class, so that the methods can be accessible, or extension can be accessible of that derived class. to that derived class. Okay, for extension you have to make the object. Okay, hope there is lots of flip-flop between the categories and extensions. Hope I might be clear some of the few doubts. If I made any mistakes, please correct me. Thank you. See you in next video.